Hello everyone. In this part 5th of definite integers, we will understand evaluation of definite integers using properties. So let's start with the property number 4th. In this property, we have integration 0 to a fx dx is equals to integration 0 to a f a minus x dx. And next property 5th is integration 0 to 2a fx dx is equals to 0 if f 2a minus x is equals to minus fx, and this is equals to 2 times of 0 to a fx dx if f 2a minus x is equals to fx. Now on the basis of this, we will solve the questions. Look at this thing. In question number 1, we have to evaluate the following integers using the properties of integers or definite integers. So in this first question A part, we have I is equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 cos 5x upon sin 5x plus cos 5x dx. Now we will consider this is the equation number 1, and on the basis of property I is equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to power 5 pi by 2 minus x upon sin raised to power 5 pi by 2 minus x plus cos 5 raised to power 5 pi by 2 minus x dx. Here we will mention this thing, integration 0 to a f x dx is equals to integration 0 to a f a minus x dx. So this is the on the basis of this property. So this becomes 0 to pi by 2 cos 90 minus theta means sin theta upon what is this thing, sin 90 minus theta means cos theta plus cos 90 minus theta means sin theta. This is dx, and we will consider this is the equation number 2. Now we will add on these two equations. It means equation 1 plus equation 2, we will get 2i is equals to integration 0 to pi by 2. In numerator also cos 5x plus sin 5x, and in denominator also we have same terms. It means this is 1 dx. What is the integration of 1? X. So this is x 0 to pi by 2. Once we will put the limit, this will come pi by 2. It means I is equals to pi by 4, and this is the answer. Now look at this thing. In B part, we have I is equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 1 upon under root 10x minus under root cot x dx. We will consider this is the equation number 1, and again by applying the property we will get integration 0 to pi by 2 1 upon under root 10 90 minus theta cot theta, and then minus cot 90 minus theta tan theta. This is the equation number 2, and we will write here, because this is the on the basis of property 0 to a fx dx is equals to integration 0 to a f a minus x dx. So now again equation 1 plus equation 2, and once we will do the addition of this thing, here we will take minus common. It means 2i is equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 1 upon root 10x minus root cot x dx, and then this is minus integration 0 to pi by 2 1 upon under root 10x minus under root cot x dx. Now once we will do this thing addition, this will cancel out. It means I is equals to 0, and this is the answer. Now we will do the part C of this question. Now in this C part, let us suppose this is the equation number 1. Now again I is equals to integration 0 to 2 pi 1 upon 1 plus e raised to power sine 2 pi minus x and dx. Again on the basis of the property integration 0 to a f x dx is equals to integration 0 to a f a minus x dx. Now I is equals to integration 0 to 2 pi, but this become 1 upon 1 plus e raised to power minus sin x, because sin 360 minus theta means minus sin theta. Now I is equals to, once we will take e raised to power sin x common, so this become integration 0 to 2 pi, but this become e raised to power sin x upon what is 1 plus e raised to power sin x after taking common. So this is the equation number 2. Now equation 1 plus equation 2, once we will do the addition, this is 2i is equals to integration 0 to 2 pi 1 plus e raised to power sin x upon 1 plus e raised to power sin x, and this is dx. Now 2i is equals to integration 0 to 2 pi, what is this, 1 dx. It means this become in x 2 pi 0 to 2 pi. It means 2i is equals to 2 pi, I is equals to pi, and this is the answer. Now let's start with the d part. Now in this fourth part we have I is equals to integration 0 to pi x tan x upon sec x plus tan x dx. So first of all we will apply the property integration 0 to pi, same property. It means this is pi minus x, this is tan pi minus x upon, what is this thing, sec pi minus x plus tan pi minus x dx. Now I is equals to integration 0 to pi minus x, tan 180 minus theta means, what is this, tan theta only, upon sec 180 minus theta means minus sec theta, tan 180 minus theta means tan theta, tan 180 minus theta means minus tan theta, and this is also minus tan theta, this means minus. Now after taking minus common, this becomes 0 to pi, what is this, pi minus x tan x upon, what this become, sec x plus tan x dx. This is the equation number 2. Once we will add this thing, it means equation 1 plus equation 2. After adding this thing, this become 2i is equals to integration 0 to pi x plus pi minus x. It means what is cancel out, x cancel out. It means pi is here. It means this become tan x upon, what is this, sec x plus tan x, sec x plus tan x. Now we will do the rationalization. It means sec x minus tan x upon, what is this, sec x minus tan x dx. Now 2i is equals to pi integration 0 to pi, but this becomes sec square x minus tan square x 1. It means this is sec x tan x minus, what is this, tan square x dx. It means 2i is equals to pi integration 0 to pi sec x tan x. Now sec square x is equals to 1 plus tan square x. It means tan square x is equals to, look at this thing, sec square x is equals to 1 plus tan square x. It means tan square x is equals to sec square x minus 1. It means this become minus sec square x plus 1 dx. Now we will do the integration. This is integration of sec x tan x, sec x, and integration of sec square x is equals to tan x, and this is plus x. This is 0 to pi. Now we will put the limit 2i pi. What is, now first of all upper limit, sec pi means minus 1, and then minus tan pi means 0, and what is this, pi. Now lower limit, minus sec 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0, and this is 0. Now this become 2i is equals to pi, this is minus 1 plus pi minus 1. It means this is 2i is equals to pi into pi minus 2. It means I is equals to, what this become, pi square upon 2, and this is minus pi, and this is the answer. On the basis of this thing, you have to solve the other questions. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.